Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 mini, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen, as you can see right over here. So simply swipe up and then select your language. Now I'm gonna go with English, and from there you can choose your region, country. I'm just gonna select the suggested one. And from here we have quick start, so let's just tap on setup manually, written and spoken language. So they're already all set, so I don't really care here. Continue. And then we got Wi-Fi connection. Now even though I was logged out of the iCloud, because to reset it you do have to input the password. Apparently I cannot skip it, but in normal circumstances you would be able just to tap right over there and next to basically skip logging in. Unfortunately I cannot do that, so put in a password. So once I put in the password, you can see that it's trying to go further. Now it gives me a message that it may take a few minutes. Okay, so data and privacy, let's just continue. Continue, there we go. So I have Face ID here, where we can put in our face as a way of unlocking our device. I'm gonna skip it, just kind of mentioning what it does. Then I'm gonna set up later. And then we have the passcode. Now by default goes to a 6-digit passcode, but you can also change it to a 4-digit one, custom numeric one, alphabetical, or simply don't use passcode at all. Now if you choose to not use it at all, it needs to prompt you once more. Are you sure you want to do that? There we go. And then on the next page we have the option to restore our device. We have a plethora of ways of doing so you can do it either from iCloud, Mac or PC, from an old iPhone, from even Android, or simply set it up as new. And then on the next page we have Apple ID. So this is where you would log in with your iCloud account, and this will give you access to things like Play Store, or not Play Store, what am I saying, the App Store. But I'm gonna just choose to opt out of this one, and then if you want to not log in, as you see, you tap on the forget password, don't have an Apple ID, and then you have set up later in settings, so don't use, and this will allow me to just skip it. And it takes me to terms and conditions, so obviously you can read them. At the end of the day you do have to tap on I agree and keep your phone up to date. Not like with Apple, we have a choice to not keep it up to date. iMessage and Facebook or FaceTime. So I'm not going to be setting it up right now. Location services, all those settings can be changed in the settings if you're wondering. So right now whatever you set you can still later on change it. So disable location services, don't really use them that often. Screen time, set up later. iPhone analytics, definitely don't share. It basically gathers data on you and sends it to Apple. Truth on display, not much of a setting here. It just tells you or shows you how it looks like when you disable it, and gives you a message that if you want to disable it, go to display settings, display and brightness, and from there you can change it. A great option there. Appearance, light or dark, whichever one you choose. It's basically whichever one you prefer more. And then display zoom, so just the size of content on your display. Again, select whichever one is better for you. And from there swipe up to finish up the setup. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.